1237, meteorologist Matt Hollander here. Well, the cold front has finally departed the state of Texas, and it's left behind in its wake much colder temperatures. At last, the entire state in the cold. It took a while to get across the entire state. Texas is a big state, but everybody's a lot chillier than they were yesterday. 45 in Houston, 48 in Oklahoma City, and it only gets worse as you look to the north. Check out all these low readings. Again, we're at the noon hour, and look, 24 in Green Bay, 19 Minneapolis, 18 in Bismarck, and notice everybody, even off to the East Coast, this thing has cleared the East Coast now. It's colder there. The only place it's still warm down in Florida. Must be nice to be in Florida in the winter. I guess that's why everybody moves there. It's drizzly out there right now, and that's going to continue even as we get into the afternoon hours. But what's going to happen is I think we're going to actually see some more legitimate rain showers pop up. Now, I think the model might be overdoing it a little bit. It's kind of been overdoing the rain throughout the day. But I think we actually are going to see some real rain, though it's still going to be light. It's not going to be any heavy rain, but it's going to start late afternoon and then continue during the evening hours. Here we are, 10 o'clock, scattered showers. Through the overnight hours into tomorrow morning. Still cloudy, still breezy, still chilly. So the weather's really not changing much here. Thursday afternoon, more of the same. But as we get into Thursday evening, the rain is going to start to pick up in intensity and become more widespread. Here we are, 11 o'clock Thursday. And also, as colder air comes in, notice what happens here. The rain is transitioning to snow in the mountains of Mexico. But does that happen here? There are some models saying yes, it gets just cold enough for a few flakes of snow. That's what the shade of pink is, a wintry mix, a mix of rain and snow. But notice most of the area is all rain. So could there be a few flakes of snow? Yes, but that's about all it's going to be. It looks like we're just going to be a touch too warm, as we typically are. But don't be surprised if you see some flakes of snow. But remember, even if it does snow, it's going to be too warm for it to stick to the ground. It's not going to be a snow day by any means, but something unusual nonetheless. Now, Friday afternoon, things get much better. The rain and the clouds clear out of here pretty dramatically, and by the late afternoon hours, we're going to have mostly sunny skies. Still a chilly day, but that's going to set us up for a much nicer weekend. So 50 degrees today. That is our current temperature, and we're going to keep dropping slowly but surely into the upper 40s. Scattered showers return during the late afternoon. Breezy still. The breeze isn't going anywhere, and it's going to continue tonight. It's kind of more of the same. The scattered showers are going to keep going. It's still going to be breezy. We're only going to drop 5 degrees for our low tonight, 45. So not much of a cool down. We just kind of stay chilly. And then we're not going to be warming up much tomorrow either. Look at these temperatures the next 3 days. And keep in mind what we normally are in the mid-70s. We're nowhere close to that. We're going to be falling into the upper 40s again tomorrow, and then 51 on Friday. But good news is you look at the weekend, and we get temperatures back in the 70s. Some chilly starts to the morning, but warmer in the afternoon. The warming trend continues in the beginning of next week. We'll have more news after the break.